Hey friends, this is Nitesh here. Today we are unboxing Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, this is the new phone launched in 13th March this year, and I have the which variant is this? So this is space black variant. We have other two variant as well, which is Nebula red and Napkin blue. Okay. So today we'll unbox this phone. Let's see what is there in the phone. We have already cut this seal here, so just open. So let's see what is there in the phone. So this is the phone, if you see, and let's remove the sticker from here. So this is very big phone, looks very nice, very clean finish. So we have mirror back panel here, dual camera which is 48 megapixel AI dual camera written here. We'll open this phone later. Let's see what's other there in the box. So here we have SIM ejector, okay, and we have some stuffs like manual reading, and this is like some user manual stuff, and here we have the cover, back cover. So this is very good, like Redmi in box, it provides a back cover for the phone. So we'll keep aside all these things. Let's keep aside. This is not required. This is SIM ejector tool. And let's see what else in the box. So here we have so this is charger and this is cable. Here we have one charger which is 5-volt charger. This is not a fast charger, but I have read the specification, it supports fast charger, so you need to buy it from store. And this is normal cable, this is C-type cable. We'll keep all this aside and we'll start the phone. So before we start the phone, let me give you the briefing about this phone. So this is Redmi 7 Note Pro 7 phone. This is newly launched in India, and this was manufactured last month only. It says May 2018. Let me give you the specifications. So this is Android 9.0, supports VoLTE, dual VoLTE. So 4G supports in both the SIMs. Other specification, this is 6.3 screen here, and we have the options to remove the dot notch display. Also the pixel density of this phone is 409 ppi. This is IP LCD display which is very clear, and we have the Corning Gorilla Glass version 5. This is, and at the back as well. So if you see the back, this is also Gorilla Glass screen. Now coming to the chipset, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor, which is very fast, and this is the latest we have received. Octa-core processor, 2 GHz dual core, and this is 64-bit of variant. Also we have 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM variant with 64GB memory and 128GB memory. So the coming back to the camera, the resolution is the camera is 48, as I said, 48 megapixel, and other is 5 megapixel camera at the back, and the front camera is 13 megapixel. It also has battery which has a capacity of 4000 mAh and supports quick charging 4.0. It has all the features like you required. Let's just boot up the phone. So the phone is booting up now. So we have already booted the phone and we have done the basic settings which is required. This is the home page which is done by MI, and we have some notification and stuff. Let's see the settings over here. Let's go to the about the phone. So if you see here, source model Redmi Note 7 Pro, Android version 9. We'll go see this one. Okay, MIUI version, model number, RAM. We have this is 4 GB RAM, and internal storage is 44, which is like we have 64 GB, but available to user is only 44 GB, and rest things are like normal. I've also activated some features. If you see default feature, you will get the back button here and the home button and the menu button, but I have deactivated those features. So for me, if you go to any stuff like camera, if you're going to go back, just swipe it up here, will go back. And if you're going to go back, this is for go back and this is for home button. Let's see the camera. This is normal camera if you see. Okay, and this is video mode. This is short video mode. We have 48 megapixel mode over here, which takes 48 megapixel, and this is portrait mode. So here if you see it, it's blurring the background here. We have night mode, panorama mode, which is good. So this is it. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit like and subscribe button if you like the video. Thank you. Signing off. Bye.